do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one.
Maybe I should put the bonnet on because. Hey Zoo, it's your girl Taylorrrr, and I'm back with another YouTube video. As y'all can see by the title, I'm gonna be doing a wig install. It's like my first time, but it's not really my first time. If my face look greasy, I just got out of the shower, so you know. I don't know why my bonnet look like this. Today we're gonna be installing a wig. And it's not my first time installing a wig, but I installed a wig I had already used before. I had reinstalled it. I didn't do bad, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. And this wig is from, I'll put it up somewhere, or I'll put it in the description. So y'all, this is the wig. This is the wig, real cute, real nice. Look at the edges and stuff. So yeah, this is a brand new wig. So we're gonna be doing, we're gonna have to bleach, about to plug, we have to do all that good stuff. So y'all finna watch turn into a bad bitch. So this is a 28-inch wig, y'all, and it was $159. So make sure y'all go get this wig because you can't beat a 28-inch for $159. So I'm about to take this bun off. Before I had started recording, I had already washed my hair in the shower. So yeah. I think I'm gonna cut my hair, y'all. Y'all see how it is? Like, it's not like, I don't know if it's even. When my last time I got a silk press was in, like, I didn't even finish my intro. If y'all new to my channel, make sure y'all subscribe. We finna start this process, because I ain't finna talk y'all head down, talk too much, because yeah. I went to the hair store and I got the bleach and the foil, the bezel. I got this. I hope this be enough for this wig. And I got this. You're supposed to use this after you bleach it. I got this because you can't touch the bleach with your hands. The foil, and to pluck. I stole my mama bowl from downstairs because unfortunately I didn't buy a bowl. So we're just gonna use this. And they say bleach stink because so.
Long as you got your eyes, got your drippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your girl so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home with no.
So I got it to like the texture it's supposed to be, I guess. The toothpaste texture. So I'm gonna like spray the perimeter. Y'all, this how the wig look now. It done been like 30 minutes. I mean, not 30 minutes, but like 20 something minutes. And I'm not sure if the knots are bleach because, you know, see, but I see that it's bleaching a little bit. I'm gonna just take it off just in case I bleach it too much. So yeah, we're gonna wash it out. Alright y'all, so I unplugged the wig. I plugged the wig and I bleached it. Here's the knots. I never showed y'all. I'm trying to film TikToks. Sorry. But this is the wig. I plugged the side. I didn't have the right scissors. So, but the sides because oh my god, I cut too much. Okay, I think I could just pull it down. Yeah, okay. Alright y'all. Oh shit. This is the wig blow dry. I think I'm gonna do a side part. This hair is already getting hot, so I'm gonna pluck it some because y'all, we finna do it the getaway, so I don't got a hot comb. So we finna use this. So, and I might curl my hair too. It's real late, y'all. I don't got school tomorrow, so I'm gonna do this.
got it. I want it. Did I ever ask you to take me go shopping in Paris? Sailing overseas and just break me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, yeah. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
Yeah, I swear I just want to give it right now. I'm so tired. This shit is so good. Yo, honestly, this is the install, I guess.
My mind seemed to take a step out. Yes, I'm in out, flip so edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wait my almost feel and a smile. Still wanna try. Yeah, if you let me. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone now. Ooh, way to dip, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit, can't do it, baby, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset. I can't keep from losing the best of me. Still worried that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you babe, you don't care. Not trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, think he was holding me. To the right.
Alright, y'all, this is the end of this video. I think I did okay. I don't know. I really wish I had a hot comb where I can hot comb all this down. Everything. I don't know. It's just like, this is the end of the video. I really hope y'all like it. I really hope y'all subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what the next video should be. And I'm already feeling myself, you know, this 28-inch is giving very much 30. And y'all know I'm tall, so like, but this one actually did good. So I really hope y'all enjoy this video. Okay, y'all, so like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. I love y'all. Good night. And I'm going to get ready for school. I mean, I said school. I'm going to sleep to get ready for school. You know? Yeah. So, hope y'all enjoy this video. Bye. Love you guys.